we'll discuss what if analysis. As in the previous session, we discussed about the decision support system. Okay, so we know what are the components. So we already discussed decision support system. Okay, and we know the components of decision support systems. We have user interface, we have model base, and we have database. So whatever data we are having in that database, that will be called that specific department's decision support system. Okay, let us suppose in the database I have captured or stored the marketing data. So that will be marketing decision support system. Okay, in the same way, it contains if it contains financial data, it will be financial information system. Okay, so but the thing is how it works, how decision support systems work. As we all know that in the model base we have different models. Okay, statistical model, mathematical model. So there are a number of model on the basis of your interest and your requirement. You can choose the model. Okay, but one more thing that decision support system, it works on one concept, and that concept is what if analysis. Okay, now what is this what if analysis? The same you will find in Excel as well with the term goal seek command. Okay, so goal means your target, your objective, and seek means to find out. Okay, so how to find out your objective, your target. So in this what if analysis, let us suppose there is one organization. Okay, there is one company, Bajaj. Okay, and their planning department, they have planned that in the month of December 2020, they will manufacture, let us suppose, 1,000 bikes. Okay, so in this case, our objective is 1,000. Means in the month of December 2020, they have to manufacture 1,000 bikes in 1 month. Now, so how to find out how to manufacture these bikes? Okay, so just focus on this diagram. Okay, this is input, this is output, and here we have a number of alternatives. Right now, in this case, we have taken only four alternatives: A, B, C, and D. Okay, but in real scenario, you will find thousands of alternatives. And being as a decision maker, you cannot rely on only few alternatives. You have to check each and every possible alternative. If you have 10,000 alternatives, you have to check each and every one. Okay, because if you will if you will check 9,999 alternatives and you left the last one, and that might be that last one, the left one is the best one. Okay, so you cannot skip any of the alternative. You have to check each and every one and which one is suiting you best. Okay, so how to find out? See, decision making in current scenario, decision making is not so easy, and we have to make decisions abruptly at the same time. Okay, we must have that relevant information with us, and we have to take decision, and that decision must be rational, it must be accurate. Okay, because all the functional areas, they all are integrated with information systems. Okay, and if you will you make one mistake and you record that mistake in MIS, it will be disseminated to each and everyone, each and every functional area, your suppliers, your distributors, your sister concerns, okay, your customers, to each and everyone, that same information will be floated. So the impact of that small mistake, it will be multiplied. Getting the point? ओके, तो आपने अगर एक छोटी भी गलती करी है तो आप सारे डिपार्टमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम से कनेक्टेड हैं, और दैट इज वाई वो हर जगह फैल जाएगी। तो एक छोटी गलती भी आपको बहुत ज्यादा हार्म कर सकती है। तो दैट इज वाई योर डिसीजन हैज टू बी ऑल्टरनेटिव or rational and accurate. Now the thing is, we cannot take, the decision maker cannot take decision on the basis of his intuition. My intuition is saying this, so that is why I'm taking this decision. No. Okay, or on the basis of thumb or rule, पहले से ही जो चला आ रहा है मैं उसी पे ही करूंगा, जो मुझसे पहले मैनेजर थे, they also followed the same thing and I'm going to do the same. ऐसा भी नहीं आप कर सकते, या आप बोलें कि मेरा लास्ट प्रीवियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये था, तो उसके बेसिस में ये कर रहा हूँ, नो. So on the basis of intuition, thumb of rule, your experience, you are not supposed to take decision. Okay, because एक गलत डिसीजन आपकी और आपकी पूरी टीम की नौकरी भी खा सकता है. गेटिंग द पॉइंट. और आपको डिसीजन बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट लेना है और हाथों हाथ लेना है. How you will do that? Okay, so in these sort of scenarios, to assist our managers, our decision makers in their or his her decision making, the organizations provide, or we can say the information system, they provide specific tools at each and every layer of the management hierarchy. Okay, so in the management support system, as we have discussed in the classification of information system, the second type of system which supports the tactical layer of the management hierarchy, that is management support system, and there we directly assist our managers in their decision making. So here, support system will do that thing, and it will cater the same. And decision support system, it works on what if analysis. So now let's come back to this diagram. As we have discussed that Bajaj company, they have decided that they will manufacture 1,000 bikes in the month of December 2020. Okay, so here are we have taken only four alternatives right now. Alternative A, B, C, and D. Now they have to find out the best alternative. Okay, so let us suppose they have machines. MC, it denotes machine. Let us suppose they have 50 machines. Okay, and manpower they have 100. So with this combination, this is alternative A, that if they have 50 machines and 100 manpower, with this combination they can manufacture 850 bikes in a month. Okay, now so now we have the second alternative, alternative B. With this alternative, if we increase machines little bit by 10 units, and right now we have 60 machines, and manpower also we have increased by 150. So we have 150 manpower and machines we have 60. So with this combination or alternative, we can manufacture 900 bikes in a month. Okay, so these are our alternatives. So are we getting close to the? Are we getting our objective? Are we able to, find out our objective with these combinations? No. What is our objective? Our objective is to manufacture 1,000 bikes. Okay. Now let's see the third alternative. Uh, Machines we have. Sorry, just a minute. Here I did. Let me correct it. Give me a moment. Okay. So we have increased again. We have increased the machines, the unit of machines, and it is 80 now, and manpower also by 20. So it is 170 now. So machines we have 80 and manpower we have 170. So with this combination, with this alternative C, we can manufacture 960 bikes. But still we have not achieved our target or objective. So now take this one, this alternative D, where we have machines 60 and manpower is 250. We have reduced machines by 20. Okay. Earlier we were having 80 machines, and right now we have reduced it to 20, and now machines we have 60 and manpower we have increased in bulk from 170 to 250. Okay. Now with this combination, we can manufacture 1050 bikes in a month. So if I ask, or if I say that, which one is the best alternative? Which one is the best alternative? A, B, C, or D? So if we see alternative A, here we can manufacture 850 bikes. Okay, we are not achieving our target. Alternative B, again we are not able to achieve target. Alternative C, again we are lacking. But with alternative D, we can manufacture 1000 bikes in a month. Okay, with the combination of with the combination of 60 machines and manpower 250. Okay, so this is how what if analysis works, because we have to check each and every alternative whether with that specific alternative are we able to achieve our objective or not. So if I say that uh, what will be the output, what will be the output, what will be the output if this will be the input? What will be the output if this will be the input? Again, alternative C, what will be the output if this will be the input? And alternative D, what will be the output if this is input? So, what will be the output if this is our input? So, this is our what if analysis. We are giving as an input number of alternatives, and we are checking our output. Either that output is it is targeting or it is achieving our objective which we have predefined. Getting the point? So this is what if analysis. And now see these uh, the input which I have taken, machines and manpower, in uh, in any of the industry when you will go. Okay, let us suppose you will go to finance industry or marketing, anywhere. Okay, any functional area. So you will be knowing your function, what function you have to apply to achieve that objective. Okay, but one variable you will be knowing, and the output you are knowing. We know what is our objective. Our objective is 1,000. The output is known to us, and machines, we know that we have 50 machines only. Okay, but now we have to find out the unknown variable, that is manpower. How much manpower I'll be requiring with this combination of 50 machines and with objective of 1,000. Okay, so if we have in this case we were having only four alternatives. Okay, but in real scenario there will not be only four alternatives. There can be hundred or thousands of alternatives, and you have to check each and every one. So in this case you cannot do manually. Okay, we do it manually, but it will not be feasible. It will be a time consuming process, and the chances of error, they are high if we do it manually. Okay, because these are big calculations. So to do this decision support system, we take help of decision support system. It assists the decision makers, and it works on the concept of